think one of these two. One of these three.
Yeah, I'm loving this one.